Hello again, this is Georgina. So now you've learned how to upgrade your PayPal account from a personal PayPal account to a business PayPal account. Now it's time to show you how to set up your buttons for your website so that when members pay you to join your EPS business, that they can check out via PayPal and you can receive your payments directly into your PayPal account. So let's just go ahead here and log in. Okay, so then you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and above here you're going to have all these different tabs. And once the page is finished loading, we're going to come to Tools and we're going to click on All Tools in the drop down. Okay, so then it brings you here to this new page where there's a whole heap of different things that you can set up, but what we need is for this PayPal buttons. So we're going to click Open. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my account, so I've already got my buttons here set up. But once you get to this part here, and you've never used this account before, there'll be a few things lined up here that you don't need. So first things first, it's really important to go along and remove them all so that you don't get your button lost in amongst all these other things that you don't need that are just there for I guess learning purposes that PayPal have set up. So let's just click on this here. So you've got a range of different things in the drop down. So you've got edit button, view your code, so you can come back in and view your code there without having to go back in. Well, after we've made this up, you'll understand. Create a similar button, delete a button, create a new button. We need to go down all these action drop downs and click delete, but we're just going to pretend I've clicked delete because I don't want to lose that button. Now over here in the related items box, there's a couple of choices, and what we need to do is create new button. So we're going to click on this highlighted link, and it's going to take us through to a new page. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is fill out this here step by step. So we're going to come to choose a button type. So we don't want a shopping cart or add to cart. So you have to have a look at these choices. Shopping cart, buy now. So it's got all these choices here, but we're going to click buy now. And then in the item name, we're going to write in sales, ebook, and training. Now this is how everyone's going to be able to purchase their training. And over here, we're just going to put in 001 and the price 25. And the currency must be USD because we're working off USD for the across the board currency, and every other country has to work on conversion. So next, so you don't need to do anything in here. Okay, just leave that as it is. I've just opened that to show you. No postage, so leave that absolutely bare there. No, do not put anything in there. Next, we're going to just leave that like that, and then we're going to come down here, so we don't need to do anything here. Just save button at PayPal. Step number 3. Okay, do you want to let your customers change order quantities? So no. Can your customer add a special instructions in the message view? We don't need that, so let's just check no. Do you need your customer's mailing address? No. And then we're just going to leave that, and we're going to click create button. Okay, so what happens then is you've got this one box here that's just full of HTML, and you just don't need that. So ignore this and click on email, and then you get this smaller, much neater link that we need. Okay, so we just leave that there, and we're going to go back to my saved buttons, and now you'll see that your sales ebook and training is now in the item name box here. So we've got the action button, and we're going to drop that down to view the code. Okay, so that can bring you back, but make sure you never use this one to send through to me when I'm making your button, because this will not work. So when I'm making your website, what you need to send for me with the other details is this here. So I'm just going to highlight this. Okay, and then I'm going to copy, and what you need to do from there is paste it into a Word document along with your other details, or straight into your email that you send through to me with the other details that you need, and I will let you know that you've got the right code. Hopefully you'll have the right code, and then I'll be able to set up your button. So that'll help me. The quicker you can do this in your training and get it sent through to me, the quicker I'll be able to get your website up and running and hand it over to you so that you can start directing your EPS prospects to your website so that they can check out on your $25 button. Okay, well, I hope that makes good sense, and thank you, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.